4 types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. It ends with a period. For example, my name is Jason. My cat is black. She is 4 years old. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks questions. It ends with a question mark. For example, where do you live? How old are you? Did you complete your homework? Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a command or request. It ends with a period. For example, have a cup of cappuccino. Please open the door quickly. Kindly bring the bug to me. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence shows strong feelings. It ends with a exclamation mark. For example, that birthday cake was so good. Ice cream sundaes are my favorite. I got the concert tickets.